Hi guys, please confirm me once whether you can hear me so that we can start with our today's lecture.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, so just give me a minute. Okay, fine. So I think, all right. So I think everyone can hear me. And before I proceed with all the things, let me introduce myself. Okay, my voice is clear, everyone. Is it fine? Can you guys hear me? Voice is clear. All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let us try to understand about the today's lecture. Okay, and so what is this? Okay, before I proceed with all this Linux concept and technical things, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ankush Sir. I have 10 plus years of experience with the IT industry, and I am CEO and founder of Learnomate Technologies. And as a part of this Learnomate Technologies, we do provide the trainings on multiple technologies like Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, Golden Gate, data science, data analyst, um, DevOps is there, cloud specific technologies, and multiple other technologies are there. So basically, our main agenda for the today's session that like I just thought like okay, let's share some of the knowledge related to the Linux because as everyone know that Linux is a very important technologies. Even though if you want to start your career with any other technologies, but Linux play a very important role. And that is the reason we started talking about these Linux technology. So if you remember that last time we started giving a training on free SQL also, like we started giving the training on free SQL side. So that was the thing that we have done in the last time. And then we started talking about the Linux also. So in the last 1 month, there were multiple colleges they joined with us, and we started providing them the free SQL and Linux training. So that was a very nice experience with all, and that is the reason we thought like let's start with the uh, Linux technology also this time. One more thing, one more important update that I want to tell you that we are also trying to take the SQL free SQL, which is there from the next week. So those people who want to take these free SQL classes, you can join the free SQL classes also. Okay, so that's the way you can join to the free SQL classes also. Okay, so take the advantages of it. That will be very much important for you. Okay, so you can reach out to the Learnomate team and you can ask them that you want to be the part of free SQL. So they will help you out. Okay, not only just free Linux, you can join the part of free SQL from the next week, and it will be easy for you to understand about the technologies. Fine. So there will be question which is coming in your mind that what is Linux? Why we are talking about the Linux and all, right? So that will be the first question which is coming in your mind. Linux is an operating system. What is this? It's an operating system. Now, what is meant by operating system? Like we are using a multiple operating system like Windows 10 we are using, Windows 7 we are using. Uh, you might have started using the technologies, using the operating system like Windows XP. So I'm that old. Like when I started using the laptop, I started using the Windows XP. Then we started using the Windows. Then we started using the Windows 8. 10, and nowadays Windows 11s are there. So that's the way we started from the very old. So when I say that Windows 10 or Windows 11, this is operating system. What is this? This is operating system. And under that operating system, your all the softwares will be installed, right? Similar way, like this operating system, like if you take the example of Windows, this Windows operating system is who invented this Windows operating system? This Windows operating system invented by Microsoft, right? So whenever you want to use Windows operating system, you need to pay to the Microsoft. Basically, um, like whenever you are purchasing a laptop nowadays, many laptops are coming with the Windows operating system. So inbuilt laptop will have a license related to the Windows machine, and that is the reason you can see that the prices of your laptop is also increasing because inbuilt Windows is already there in that case. But when you're working with the IT industry, normally in real-time production environment, in real-time production environment, you will not find that the people are using Windows operating system. They will use Linux operating system. What they will use? Linux operating system. So if you want to start your career into the IT industry, uh, you should be aware about the Linux operating system. That is very, very important. Okay, that is very, very important. So without that, you cannot start that. Okay, if you want to start your career uh, into the IT industry, then you need to understand about the Linux operating system. So that's the way Linux is playing a very, very important role. Okay, Linux is playing a very, very important role if you want to start your career into the IT industry. Now Linux is not only just useful when you are talking about the Oracle DBA. Linux is everywhere. Like if you want to start your career into the data engineer, you should know Linux. If you want to start your career into the Oracle DBA, you should know. If you want to start your career into the fields like cloud related technologies, AWS, GCP, anything, the Linux is everywhere. Even the data engineer, every technology is using the Linux operating system. If you want to start your career as a Linux administrator, then also you should have a knowledge about Linux. So whenever you want to understand about the Linux, whenever you want to start your career as into the IT industry, Linux play a very, very important role. The Linux technologies play a very, very important role. So the agenda of the today's lecture is like since Linux play a very, very important role to kickstart your journey as a into the IT industry, why what we can do, like we can start learning about this technology. Now I know that within this one webinar or single webinar, it's quite difficult to talk about all the Linux command, but I will try to give you some of the I'll try to give you some of the heads up related to the Linux. Okay, I'll try to give you some of the heads up related to the Linux, and that will easy your life. Okay, that will make your life very, very easy. So that's the plan. Now what I will do, let me share my screen. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen now. Fine. Please let me know if you guys can see my screen. Please confirm me in the chat option if you can see my screen so that we can start. Great. Nice. Fine. So, Linux, okay, which is a very, very important tool. Now, what happened here? Like, you will have a Linux like this, okay. There are multiple operating systems are available in the market. Like as I said, we have Windows operating system is there. We have Linux operating system is there. We have Unix operating system is there. Now Windows operating system, everyone we are using that, right, in our daily routine we are using that. The latest version which we are using right now, it's Windows 11. So Windows 11 is provided by the Microsoft. If you want to know about the Linux or Unix operating system, which is widely used in the real-time production environment, even Windows also used, but in most of the technologies they are using the Linux operating system. The reason behind that, like this is a command line interface. The security wise also it is very good, and this Linux is free of cost. This Linux is free of cost. What is meant by free of cost? Let's say if you want to use Windows operating system, you need to take the license to use that. I know that many people are using just a pirated copy, but that's not a right way. If you want to use Windows operating system, you need to take the additional license. You need to take the license from the Microsoft. And if you want to use Linux operating system, Linux is completely free of cost. What is meant by free of cost? It means the code is available for the public. Like if you want to make some changes in the Linux operating system, you can make the changes by your own also. That is also possible. If you want to make the changes, you can make the changes by your own also. Because Linux is completely free of cost. And similar like Linux, there is one more operating system is there. We call it as Unix operating system. Unix is not free of cost. This is created by the company called AT&T. In 90s, they have created this technology. AT&T created Unix operating system. So this Linux is having multiple flavors are there in the market. There are multiple flavors like you might have heard about the Red Hat Linux, right? Everyone is using. Most of the technologies they are using Red Hat Linux. This is like a flavor of Red Hat Linux. There is one more flavor is there like you might have heard about the Ubuntu. Like whenever you want to understand about the Linux operating system, the Ubuntu people are using very much. So Ubuntu is there. Then we have Oracle Linux is there. Likewise, there are different flavors are there which are the part of your Linux operating system, which are coming under Linux operating system. Then there is one more in the in the Unix operating system. You might have heard about the HP is there, HP UX there. Then we have AX operating system is there. Now, if you want to use HP or AX for the Unix operating system, this is not completely free of cost. You need to take the license. Okay. Now, what is the difference between Windows and Linux? What is the main difference? Windows is all about the GUI method. Windows is all about GUI. GUI means like you will have a graphical user interface. If you want to create a folder, you can simply right click and you can create a folder. Like right now, I'm using a Windows operating system only. But in the Linux operating system or Unix operating system, everything is command line interface. Command line means you need to write down the command. For each and everything, you need to write down the command. Let's say you want to create a folder. Let's say you want to delete a folder. Let's say you want to rename something. Let's say you want to copy something. For everything, for every small thing, for every small thing, what you need to do? You need to write down the command. So in our today's lecture, we are trying to understand about how to write down the command under Linux operating system. Now what I will do, I'm not going to talk about how to install the in today's lecture. I'm not going to talk about how to install the Ubuntu. That I'm not going to talk about. Because if I'm telling you how to install the Ubuntu in today's lecture, it will be very time consuming because within one lecture it's not possible. So I'm already having a I'm already having a setup where the Ubuntu is already installed. Okay, and by using that Ubuntu, I'm going to show you the Linux command. I'm going to show you Linux command. The command which you are going to learn under Linux, same command you can use for your Unix operating system also. So Linux and Unix have most of the commands are same only. Linux and Unix have most of the commands are same only. So if you understand about the Linux, you can use same command in your everywhere. You can use this. You can use this same command everywhere. But I'm just worrying like okay. Let me check whether I have any server where I can show you the commands and all. So I'm using this Oracle Virtual Box. Fine. I have this Ubuntu machine also. These are my machines related to the Oracle DB, and I can see here that I have one more machine is there related to the Ubuntu. So I'm starting that machine. and we are using, in order to understand about the Linux command, we are using, in order to understand about the Linux command, we are using Ubuntu operating system. So in today's lecture I am not showing you how to install Ubuntu. Maybe in the next webinar we will try to cover up that, but in today's lecture I'll talk about the basic Linux command which you are using frequently in your real-time production environment. Every time you are going to use that, okay? In it, I'm going to show you all the commands, okay? And those people who want to get the certification, those people who want to join the free SQL workshop, you can join our WhatsApp group, and you can click on the link which is provided by Learnomate technology in the chat options, okay? So those people who want to be the part of, those people who want to be the part of free SQL, you can register yourself. There's a button called register now is there. You can join them, okay? So that will be easy for you. I'll give you some time. Take a minute. I'll just wait for 2 minutes. Those people who want to be the part of, those people who want to be the part of free SQL class, which we are going to start from next week, you can join the, you can click on the link. So there is a link provided in the chat options. You can go there and register yourself. I'll wait for 2 minutes. I'm not in hurry. So this is a link. You can go here, click on the register now, and you can join this WhatsApp group also. Okay. If you still have any question queries, you can just click on the chat options, and you can reach out to the Learnomate team. Okay. So you will get the invitation about this Linux classes very soon. So you can register. So we are going to start this, like today we are talking about the Linux, and in the next week we are talking about the free SQL. The free SQL webinar will be for 5 days, not for one day, guys. Remember that. The free SQL webinar is for 5 days. We are going to start from the very basic. So slowly we will go to the advanced. So take the advantage of this free SQL workshop. This is for, we are starting from 8th of Jan. The timing is morning 9 o'clock, and there is no recording will be available. It is completely live only. So it's a 5 days workshop, not like a one day workshop and all. Okay. So take the advantages of it. Please do the registrations. I'll wait for 5 minutes, okay? Because this link will not be, we are taking only first 200 at 200 people only, because we have some restrictions to the Zoom. So we cannot take more than 200 people. So those people who will enroll it as soon as possible, they will get the seat only. Please register yourself, and we are going to start it, okay? Can we start? Let me know if you are done. We can start then. Okay, let me drop the email. This is a link. You can go here and you can join the WhatsApp group also. I have sent it to the chat option. If you guys face any issue now, just click on the chat, or you can reach out to this number. There is a number available. So if you go to our website, here in the bottom you can see the number. You can reach out to this number. Where is the number? Okay, you can see, you can reach out to this number, or you can WhatsApp by this link. Okay, it will be done. Even many people are joining, then When many people are registering at a time, then I think it's giving some error. Please do that. Fine. So let's start now. Okay. Fine. Just wanted to tell you that within one day or within one webinar, it's highly impossible to talk about all the Linux command. I'll be little fast, but be with me, okay? Because within one webinar, it's very difficult to cover up all the Linux command. But I'll try my best so that you people will understand that, okay? So what I'm doing, first of all, I'm logging here. When I'm doing the installation of Ubuntu, by default, you need to create one user, okay? Whenever you are doing the whenever you are doing the Ubuntu installation, by default one user we have created, and I'm going to log in with that user. So I'm going to log in with that user. I have just done that, and I have entered the password of my user, okay? And this is the welcome screen of Ubuntu which is getting opened now. If you want to know how to install the Ubuntu, maybe in the next webinar I'll show you how to install the Ubuntu, okay? So this is the Ubuntu which we have created, and under this Ubuntu I have created a Learnomate user, and I have set my password, okay? So when you are doing the installation, you can create your own user and you can set your own password. Now what I will do, whenever you want to understand about the Linux command, you can right click and open a terminal. You can right click and open a terminal. You can right click and open a terminal, and this is a terminal where you can write down your all the Linux command. This is a terminal where you can write down your all the Linux command, okay? Now the first command that we are going to learn in the Linux, we called it as a pwd, that is called present working directory. The first command that we are going to learn here, we called it as a pwd. The long form is present working directory. So what this present working directory means? PWD long form is present working directory, means where I am right now. If I open this, if I open this Windows, I'll try to compare it with my Windows. So if somebody is asking me that where are you right now, means what is your working directory, in which folder you are available right now. So I can see on the top that I am inside the E drive. Under the E drive there is one, this folder is there. Under that this folder is there. Here I am right now. If I'm clicking on the this PC again, and if I'm going to the F drive, then rack, if I'm going to the app, this is my present working directory. So my present working directory here is F app. So I am inside the app directory. Now if you want to know that where you are right now in the Linux operating system, see in Windows you can directly see. In Windows, if you want to see that where are you right now, you can directly see it on the top. But when you want to know that where are you right now in Linux operating system, you need to run the command like pwd. You need to write down the command like pwd. So whenever you are writing down the pwd command, you can see here that you are currently inside the desktop. So there is a home directory. Under home directory, Learnomate directory is there. When I say directory, it's a folder. In the Linux, that directory means folder. So I have a home folder. Under that home folder, Learnomate folder is there. Under that Learnomate folder, desktop folder is there. So currently I am inside the desktop folder. So whenever you are working with the Linux operating system, you will not get this kind of GUI. You will never get this kind of GUI. Or you will only see the command line interface like this. You are becoming DBA, Linux administrator, or maybe any cloud practitioner. You are becoming anything, but you will never see a GUI in Linux operating system. Just for your understanding purpose, just to make your life easy, I have done that. But normally in real-time production environment, you will only see the command line interface like this. So if somebody is asking you that where are you right now, you can simply run the command like pwd. So I can see here that currently I am inside the desktop. Now which desktop? This is a desktop. If I want to know that what are all files and directories, means what are all folders and directories are available inside the desktop, how can I know? I know that I can see with my open eyes here, but that's not the right way, because this is a GUI mode. But if I want to list the files and directory from the desktop, you can simply run the command like ls-lrt. What is the command? You can simply run the command like ls-lrt. If you run this command, it will show you the files and folders from which location? From the desktop location. Why it is showing me the files and directories from the desktop only? Because currently I am inside the desktop. See, if I am inside the app, it is showing me the files from the app only. If I am inside the Oracle, it is showing me the files or folder from Oracle only. If I am inside the product, it is showing me the files and product like this. You can see. So wherever you are, from that location, it will show you the files. Similar way in Linux, wherever you are, means right now, where I am right now, I am inside the desktop. And if you want to know that what are all files are available under the desktop, you can simply run the command like ls-lrt. ls-lrt is the command to show you the files from your current location. What is my current location? My current location is desktop. And how you got to know that what is your current location? By running simple command like pwd. By simple the command like pwd. Are you able to understand, guys? Those who are watching me, are you able to understand whatever we discussed till now? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Yes, Mamta is saying yes, Sarita is saying yes, Raisa is saying yes, Surika is saying yes, Anuj is saying yes. Karthik is saying yes, Mahesh is saying yes, Aimak is saying yes, Dhanapati is saying yes, Vivek is saying yes, White is saying yes, Shekhar is saying yes, Prasanna is saying yes, Pratik is saying yes, Prasanti is saying yes. Good, Sai is saying yes, Sheikh is saying yes. Very good. So those people who are watching us, are you able to understand? Those people who are watching from YouTube channel, please let us know if you are able to understand. Okay, please use the chat option so that we'll understand that I'm going good. Okay, fine. Now, so one thing is very clear that by using the pwd command, I'll get to know that where I'm right now. And by using the ls-lrt, I'll get to know that the list of directories and files available in the current location. Now how will you identify that whether it is a file or folder? How you will get to know that whether it is a C? In the Windows, I can see here that okay, this is my folder, because I can see like this is a file, this is a file, this is a folder, because the color is changed. Here the color is changed. So by looking to the color, I can say that okay, this is a file, this is a folder. What about the Linux? If I'm double click on it, if I'm double clicking on it, I'm not able to understand whether it's a file or folder, right? If I'm double clicking on it, I'm not able to understand whether it is a file or folder, right? That's a problem. So in Linux operating system, if you want to know that whether it is a file or folder, you can see here. If it is a D mentioned here, what it is mentioned? D is a directory. So I can say that test2 is a directory. Directory means folder. Test2 is a directory. What about abc bkp.txt? D is not mentioned. It's a blank is mentioned. So what is this? What is this? This is a file, just like a text file, or it can be any file. What about the test? This test and www. These are all directories are there. You can see here D is mentioned, D is mentioned. What about this dash is mentioned means abc.txt is a file. Do not go and do not think about the extension .txt, or you can have a file without extension also in Linux operating system. You can have a file without extension also. You can have a file without extension also. So you need to rely on here this side. If you see a D, it means it's a directory. So what is this test? Test is a directory. What is this abc.txt? abc.txt is a, what is this abc.txt? abc.txt is dash, dash is the blank. So if someone is asking you that how many, what are all directives are there, what are all files are there, you can simply go here and you can say that okay, this is the directive and this is the file. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand this command? How to check whether it is a file or directory? Can you please use the chat option? Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes, 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 yes. Nice, 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 nice. Mhm. Fine. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Fine. Okay. Nice. Now, let's assume a situation that, I'm in a situation that where I want to create a folder. I want to create a folder. Like see, if I want to create a folder in Windows, what you will do? You will right click. In Windows, it's very easy, right? Right click and create a folder. Right click, new and folder. The folder will be created. This is the way you can create a folder in Windows. What about if you want to create a folder in Linux? How to create a folder in Linux? So there is a simple command is there, mkdir. What is this? Mkdir and directory name. The directory name is, let's say, give me any directory name. Let's say I want to give the directory name like Sagar. If I say mkdir Sagar, the Sagar directory will be created. Where it will be created? It will be created under desktop in the current location. Where it will be created? The Sagar folder will be created under desktop. If how to verify whether it is created or not? ls-lrt. ls-lrt. If I run this command, I can see here that the Sagar folder got created. Can you see here directory D? Can you see here? So whenever you want to create a directory, you need to run the command like mkdir, make a directory, mkdir directory name, mkdir directory name. What is the directory? mkdir directory name, mkdir directory name, mkdir directory name. Where this folder will be created? Under desktop. In the under desktop. Where it will be created? Under desktop. Under desktop means current location. Since I am inside the desktop, the folder will be created under current location. mkdir directory name. How to verify ls-lrt? You can see in the bottom the folder got created. The newly created folder got created. What is the command? mkdir. Mkdir is the command to create a directory. Are you able to understand mkdir, guys? Are you able to understand? Please use the chat option. Please use the chat option if you are able to understand. Nice, nice, nice. Say yes, 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 yes. Nice, nice. Very nice. Okay, great. Everyone is saying yes. Everyone is saying yes. Everyone is saying yes. Fine. Now, under the desktop, if I want to create multiple directories, like I want to create one, two, three. I want to create three directories at a time. So what you can do, you can run the command like mkdir one space second directory name space third directory name. You can give any directory name, not a problem. I can give the name like mkdir test1, test2, test3. If I run this command, three folder will be created. Where? In the current location. If I run this command, I got the error message that file exists because test2 is already exist. Test2 is already exist. Not a problem. If I do ls-lrt, you can see here that test1, test3 and test2. If you want to create multiple directories in the same location, you can do like this: test1 space test2 space test3. This is the way you can create a directory. If you want to create multiple directories in the same location, give a space mkdir first directory space second directory space third directory. This is the way you can create multiple directories. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand, everyone? Are you able to understand, everyone? Yes, Sriram is saying yes, Sapran is saying yes, Surika is saying yes, Vivek is saying yes, Vajada is saying yes, Karthik is saying yes, Praveen is saying yes. Nice, 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 nice. Very good, very good, very good. Okay, nice. Now, next, let's take an example. I want to remove this directory. This test one folder, I want to delete. If I want to delete a folder, normally what you do? Right click. If I want to delete a folder, what we do normally? We do right click and we delete a folder. Right click and delete a folder option is there, right? Normally. Or you can use shift delete. If I want to delete a folder, if you want to delete a folder, normally what we do? Right click and we delete a folder. So here the command is rmdir. I want to delete test 1. rmdir test 1. If I run this command, the directory will be directed. rmdir directory name ls-lrt. If I do, you cannot see test 1 now here, right? See, it got deleted. rmdir test 1. See, rmdir test 1. The folder that you want to delete, you need to simply run rmdir. The folder that you want to delete, you need to simply run rmdir. Rmdir is a command to remove directory. Whenever you want to delete folder or whenever you want to delete a folder or directory, you need to run the command like rmdir. rmdir. rmdir is the command to remove a directory. Are you able to understand, guys? Is it clear? Is this done? RMDIR, RMDIR directive 1. Let's say I want to delete Sagar also. The command is RMDIR Sagar. RMDIR Sagar. How to verify? ls-lrt. If I run, I am not able to see Sagar here. See, no Sagar available. The Sagar has been deleted. RMDIR Sagar. RMDIR Sagar. RMDIR Sagar. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Sagar is Mamta is saying yes, Hemlata is saying yes, Surika is saying yes, Majida is saying yes, Sai is saying yes, Mohan is saying yes, Karthik is saying yes, Sarita is saying yes, Sun is saying yes, T is Vivek is saying yes, Sham is saying yes, Saurabh is saying yes, Sagar is saying yes, Prashant is saying yes, Vishnu is saying yes. Great, great, very good, very good, very good. We are going good, right? Very. Thank you. Fine. Now, so we got to know that how to delete a directory also. Now there is a one question. There is a question. Like let's say, see, one more command we are going to see. If I want to go inside any folder, like these many folders are there. If I want to go inside any folder, I'll double click on it and I'll go inside the folder normally. If I want to go inside any folder, let's say I want to go inside the new folder. So I'll double click on it and I'm inside the new folder too. So this new folder 2 is my present working directory now because I am inside that folder. If I want to, if I double click on it under the music, so this is my present working directory now because I am inside the music, correct? So if I want to go inside the test 3, I cannot do double click and I cannot go inside that. That's not going to happen. If you think that if I want to go inside the test 3, I'll just double click and I'll go inside that visit whether it is going to happen. No, that's not going to happen, right? If I want to go inside the test 3, if I want to go inside the test 3, there is a simple command is there. CD means change the directory. Where I want to go? Test 3. Where I want to go? Test 3. So can you see here that my present working directory has been changed to test 3. So whenever you are going inside that folder, your present working directory will be that folder. Whenever you are going inside that folder, your present working directory will be that folder. So whenever you want to change the directory, change means you want to jump from one folder to another folder, just like a double click. You simple command like cd. Cd is change directory. Cd is change directory. Cd is change directory. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand? Everyone, please use the chat option. Please use the chat option and let me know. CD, CD, CD. Good, 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 good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Very good, very good. Nice, nice, nice. Very good. Very good. Nice. CD is changed it. One request to everyone, that if you guys are thinking that you are able to understand this Linux class till now, whatever we discussed, we need to see other things. Please provide your Google review. Please provide your Google review. That's very very important for us, so that the people will get to know that we are doing a great job. I have shared one link in the chat option, and if you think that these trainings are very helpful to you, we are going to take all these trainings in future also. Please provide your honest feedback to the Google link which we have provided in the chat option. The that is like it will be very very helpful for us. Now, if you know about the Learnomate, currently our ratings is 4.9. We already have 800 plus ratings available on our Google. We have given the trainings to almost 10,000 plus students till now, irrespective means multiple technologies. On our YouTube channel, we have around 22,000 followers on our YouTube channel. So this is all because of your support only. And we regularly take the free sessions based on the multiple technologies. Like in future we have sessions related to the we have sessions related to the data analyst, Power BI. I think 3 days back we have taken the sessions on data engineer also. So multiple sessions we guys are regularly taking. So you can just follow to Learnomate. If you don't want to spend the money, not a problem. There are multiple free sessions we regularly take. Every week we will have a free session. So you can take the advantages of these free sessions. If you wish to join paid course, you can do. But if you don't want to pay anything, not a problem. Only the request which is from our side is that we need the reviews. That's the one humble request which I'm asking you. Otherwise everything is very very good. So the people, you need to understand one thing, that when we have a 22,000 followers, it means we have something good, right? So we have institutes available in Pune location. There are two branches available in Pune. One is in Wakad location and another is in Kadewadi Fata. One more is coming in Hyderabad also, so we are trying for that also. So this is all possible with your support and love. And we started recently. We were in online like from so many years, but now we started offline also. So if you want to meet us, come to Learnomate office. You can check the locations and everything in the Google. Okay. We'll, but I will tell you that the knowledge which we are sharing you today, this SQL and Linux. In SQL also we are going to start very soon, in the next week. So this will be really really helpful for you in the IT industry. Really, really. Just remember my word. After 5 years or after 2 years, or when you start looking for the job, then you will say that the Ankush sir was saying the right thing. This SQL and Linux play a very, very important role if you want to kickstart your journey into the IT industry. All big companies, including your Amazon, Cognizant, Wipro, LTI, all product-based companies, whenever you go for an interview, including your Amdocs and all, they will ask the question based on the SQL and Linux. So try to take these positively. And again, like as I'm saying, there are many free contents are available. You can visit our YouTube channel. We already have 1200 plus videos are available on our YouTube channel. I hope you people are already aware about our YouTube channel. This is our official website. If you don't know about our YouTube channel, I'll show you that part also. So this is our YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies only. So if you go here, you can see here that we have 21.2k subscriber, which is around, and 1.1k videos we have uploaded till now. So we are daily uploading many things. So you can subscribe to this YouTube channel also. Okay, I have shared the link in the chat options. Okay, and we will start with our regular sessions also now. So you can subscribe to this channel. That will be easy, and many free sessions are available. Okay, so you can take the advantages of these free sessions also. And thank you so much for your reviews. Like I can see here that many people are posting the reviews on our Google, the link which I have shared with you. So I'm really really thanks for all these things. Okay, and don't worry, we have not done it. Okay, we are talking about the Linux, and future classes we have SQL also available. Okay, there are 5 sessions are available in SQL. Okay, so Hemlata, thank you so much for your review. So there is a review from Shobha Rani, thank you so much. Srikant, Super Institute in Pune, very good, thank you. Pratik, thank you. Hemlata, very good, thank you. Priyanka, thank you. Aniket, thank you. D. Nakaraju, thank you so much. And Devapriya, thank you. Mamta, Sabha, so many people are posting. In today's session, like what I will do, in tonight I'll just see all your reviews along with the comments and everything. We'll do that. Okay? We'll do that. Fine. So the last thing that we have discussed is CD command, like a change directory. So whenever you want to go to any folder, whenever you want to go to the folder, you can simply use the command like cd. I'll show you one more part. Like, see where I'm right now. Can you tell me where I'm right now? Can you please use the chat option? Where I'm right now? What is my current location? Can anyone tell me in which folder I am right now? I am inside the test string. Great. Now if I'm running, let's say I'm doing test 4 mkdir test 4, where this folder will be created? This folder will be created under test 3. Where it will be created? Under test 3. Why it is getting created under test 3? Because I am inside the test 3. Because I am inside the test 3. If I want to go inside the test 4, I'll simply run the command like cd test 4. Cd is the command to change a directory. How will I come to know that what is my present working directory? PWD. PWD is the present working directory. PWD is present working directory. PWD is present working directory. Okay. So till now we discussed about the cd command, ls-lrt, pwd command, right? Mkdir, rmdir. All these commands we have discussed. Now let's say I want to jump to my desktop location from here. So if I want to come back one step back, if I want to come back one step back means slowly I want to come back. So I'll use the command like cd dot dot, cd space dot dot. So currently I am inside the test 4. As soon as I fire cd dot dot, I'll come to cd test 3. See here, I am inside the test 3 now. If I want to go inside the desktop, I'll use cd dot dot and I'll come back to the desktop. So whenever you want to come one step back, whenever you want to come one step back, one by one, what command you are going to use? Cd dot dot. What command you are going to use? Cd dot dot. What command you are going to use? Cd dot dot. What command you are going to use? Cd dot dot. Change the directory space dot dot. Change the directory space dot dot. Fine. Till now, are we good, everyone? Till now, are we good? Fine. Okay. Are we good, guys, till now? Okay, nice. Everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. So we discuss about PWD, MKDI. See, sometimes we are in a situations where I want to create multiple directory one inside another. Like I'll tell you one example. Let's say I'm inside the desktop. Under desktop, I want to create a directory like. Under desktop, I want to create a directory like. Let's say dir1. Under dir1, I want to create a dir2. Under dir2, I want to create dir3. Remember that dir2 is available under dir1. dir3 is available under dir2. So the complete path will be looking like this. Desktop, under that dir1, under that dir2, under that dir3. The complete path will be looking like this. I want to create a directory one inside another, not together, not together. See, here all the directories are available under desktop, but I'm saying that under the documents, create one more directory with the different name, one inside another. Whenever you want to create a directory one inside another, you can simply use the command like mkdir, because I'm going to create a directory. So I'm going to create my first directory is dir1, under that dir2, under that dir3, but you need to use the option called -p. What is the option you need to use? -p. So whenever you are going to run this command, the dir1 will be created, then dir2 will be created, and then dir3 will be created. How? If you want to know, cd dir1. So first folder got created. Under dir1, which folder got created? dir2 got created, and under dir2, dir3 got created. dir3. See, you can see the path over here. Under desktop, dir1 got created. Under dir1, dir2 got created. dir3 got. You can see this by using GUI method also. See, this is my desktop. Under this desktop, dir1 got created. See this one. Double click. Under dir1, dir2 got created. Under dir2, double dir3 got created. So this is the way you can create a multiple directory one inside another. How to create? mkdir hyphen p. Hyphen p is for parent. Whenever you want to create, whenever you want to create a directories one inside another, use like this. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Deva is saying yes, Harpaj is saying yes, yes, Namba is saying yes, Kasi is saying yes, Rinika is saying yes. The people joining from YouTube, are you able to understand? Please let me know if you are able to understand. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. Fine. Okay. Now, now, one more thing. Uh, so let's take an example. Let's take an example. Now I'm going to talk about how to open a file. See what we are going to discuss now. How to open a file. See, normally like in Windows, you take an example of Windows only. See, in Windows, if I have any file is available, let's say I have this file is there with the name tnsname.ora. If I want to open this file, if I want to open this file, I'll just double click on it, and by using the notepad plus plus software or notepad software, the file will be opened. Correct? If you want to create a file, you need to use a software called notepad or notepad plus plus or Microsoft Word. All these uh, all these software you are going to use. Okay, all these softwares you are going to use. Correct? So if I similar way, if you want to open a file in Linux, there are multiple ways are there. The first way is by using cat command, you can open a file. Cat and file. If you run this command, cat is the command to open a file. I'll show you one example. Here, I'll go to the desktop, cd dot dot. If I want to go multiple step back, if I want to go not only one step, first step, second step, third step, I want to come back till desktop. So I'll say cd dot dot slash second step slash third step. If I run this command, I'll directly come to the desktop. If I want to come multiple step back, so I'll say first step, second step, third step. If I want to come to multiple step, I'll do like that. You got my point? If I want to come, if I want to come multiple step back, I'll do like that. Okay, I'll do like that. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Good, nice, 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 nice. Everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. Fine. Now, fine. So, what I was saying, I have one file is ls-lrt. If I go here, there is a file called abc.txt is there. I have one file available under the desktop called abc.txt. I want to open this file. I want to open this file. If I want to open this file, if I want to open this file, what I will do, I'll use the command like cat abc.txt, cat abc.txt, and press enter. See, there is a very small file is there, and it has mentioned Linux. So whenever I want to open any file, I'll simply use the command like cat. There's one more file is there, pr.txt. Let me open that. Cat. See, this is a big file. So whenever I want to open a file, I can use a command like cat. Cat is the command to open a file. Cat is the command to open a file. Cat is the command to open a file. Similar way other commands are also available. But cat is the command to open a file. Cat and file name. Let's say if you want to open a file, you can use vi editor also. Vi pr.txt. This way also you can open a file. See, this is also giving you same output. This is the permission class. You can see here that. So you can use vi editor also. You can use more command also. More pr.txt. More means it will open a file slowly in the percentage. 61% file open. Press enter, 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 enter. Likewise also slowly you can open a file. What is the command? More command. There is one more command is there called head command. Head command means it will show you what head command will do. Can you tell me by guessing what head command will do? What head command will do? What head command will do? Can anyone guess? Head command will show you the top 10 lines. If I use 10 head, top 10 lines it will show. If I want to show top 20 lines, I'll say hyphen 20 and it will show you top 20. Whenever you want to see the top lines, the first few lines, you can use head. Head will show you by default 10 lines. But if you want to see more lines or less lines, you can use that number here. What is the opposite of head? What is the opposite of head? What is the opposite of head? Tail. Very good. Tail. What is the opposite of head? Tail. Tail. So it will show you tail means how many? How many it will show you? Tail means bottom lines. Okay. Tail means bottom line. The last lines. Correct. The last lines it will show you. So whenever you want to open a file, there are multiple ways are there to open a file. Cat will open complete file on the terminal. More will open slowly file. More. Third way is head, the top lines, and last one is tail command. Tail will be the bottom one. This is top and this is bottom or last line. Bottom or last line. So there, and one more way is there, by using VI editor also you can open a file. VI editor, VI and file name. You can open a file like this also. Now within one lecture it's quite difficult to talk about VI editor. In the next webinar maybe I'll discuss about the VI editor. Okay, because in VI editor there are many things you can do. So just now we discuss about how to open a file. There are multiple ways to open a file. You can use any one method to open a file. Are you able to understand, guys? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Are you able to understand? Anuja is saying yes, Mamta is saying yes, Manjari is saying yes, Deva is saying yes. Aniket is saying yes, Rahul is saying yes, Vivek is saying yes, Ani is saying yes, Pratik is saying yes, Saba is saying yes, Ahmed is saying yes, Umar is saying yes, Karthik is saying yes, OIWC yes, Amal is saying yes, 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 very good. Oh man, my ears are paining like anything. Ah, this mic is very big. Anyway, क्या करें करना पड़ता है अच्छा whatever we discuss able to understand everyone till now. Okay, nice. What else you guys want to? What else you guys want to? Uh, what else you guys want to see? Meanwhile, please share your feedback to the Google form and also register yourself to the next free SQL workshop along with certifications. We will provide you the certification also. Okay. So please make sure you this SQL is only for limited candidates, guys. Okay, because we have some restrictions. See, this free webinar is something very costly for us because when we purchase the Zoom license, now we will have hardly 100 people can join at a time. But we try to extend it little bit to 200 or 300. But all these monies are going from our pocket, and still we are doing that. Okay, we want to change to 1000 people, but 1000 like if I'm personally thinking that to allow 1000 people we need to spend around 20,000 rupees from our pocket to take this Zoom license, and that too for 1 month. So Zoom is very costly actually. Okay? So that's the reason, okay, we do that. But anyway, like we are happy that you people are giving us a very good feedback, and the reviews are very important for us. So somewhere we are managing that. But be with us and share it with your friends, family, with your girlfriend, boyfriend, or whoever is nearby to you, so that they will also get certain knowledge. Because see, we are the best. We know that we provide the quality level of training. And if you want to understand free of cost, just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Many things you will get free of cost. That is also nice. Nice. What else you guys want to hear in Linux? Let me know so that I'll. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. I'll show you how to copy. Let's say you want to copy. How to copy? That's very important. So I am inside the desktop now. Okay, here LSFN LRT. And let's do one thing. Let's say I want to copy this abc.txt file. I feel like abc.txt is a very important file, very important file. And definitely the thing which is very important in our life, what we do, we have a backup available always, right? We always have a backup available of that things. So if I want to copy this abc.txt, what I will do, cp cp is the command to copy a file. Which file I want to copy? abc.txt with the name pqr.txt. So ipqr is already exists. I'll give some different name. Let's say I'll give my learnomate name, learnomate.txt. So I'm going to copy this abc.txt file with the name learnomate.txt. So if I try to open abc.txt, it has Linux as a content, and if I try to open learnomate.txt, it has also same to same content, because simply I copied. So whenever you want to copy, you can use a command like cp command. Whenever you want to copy, you can simply use cp command. Cp. Understood, everyone? How to copy a file? Everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear? Deva is saying yes. Smith is saying yes. Nice. Okay, there is a question like how to move a file. Move means like a cut and paste. You take example cut and paste. Let's say I want to move this learnomate.txt file. So there is a command like mv. I want to move this learnomate.txt to the location called slash home slash learnomate. There is one location is there, slash home slash learnomate. There I want to move the file. Move means like cut and paste. So there is a command like mv. If I try to check whether learnomate.txt is available here, I am not able to see learnomate.txt here. It's gone. See, earlier it was there, but now it's gone. Where it is available? If I try to go to the slash home slash learnomate, let's say I want to go to slash home slash learnomate location. If I try to go there I can see that learnomate.txt. See here, there I can see now learnomate.txt. Okay, there I can see learnomate.txt. There I can see learnomate.txt. Able to understand, everyone? There I can see learnomate.txt. Able to understand? Able to understand? Very good. Okay. Okay. What else you guys want to see? What else you guys want to see? Anything else? There is something which is coming in your mind. There is one question like, what is shell scripting? Shell scripting means, I'll give you one simple example. यार मेरे ना कान बहुत दुख रहे हैं. Man. What I was saying? I forget. I was saying something. Shell scripting, right? Someone was asking me about shell scripting. Shell scripting means a set of Linux command. Uh, I'll tell you one example. Whenever you want to do any automation in the server, that time we use shell scripting. I'll tell you one small example. Let's take an example. I want to shut down this Ubuntu in the night 10 o'clock daily. As soon as the 10 o'clock is done, I want to shut down this Ubuntu. So whenever you want to automate this work, that time we will use shell scripting. So what we will do, we will create a file, and in that file we will add our Linux command, and that Linux command will be useful to shut down the server. So as soon as 10 o'clock will be there, the server will be get shut down. So whenever you want to automate something, that time we can use shell scripting. Cron tab is mainly useful when you want to schedule. By 10 o'clock I want to schedule it. First of all, you need to write down a script, and then you need to schedule it. Without shell script you cannot schedule, right? So cron tab is mainly useful when you want to schedule it by a particular time. But shell script is all about the automation script which you have written, which will shut down your server. When you want to shut down your server by 10 o'clock, so that 10 o'clock will be done by your cron tab. 10 o'clock will be done by your cron tab. The timing will be decided, the timing will be mentioned inside the cron tab. But the actual script will be written as a script, as a shell script. You got my point, everyone? Okay. Okay. So there is a Google review link which we have given in the chat option. I would request everyone to please fill up the Google review so that uh, It will be very easy for you. And I hope you people have enjoyed the session till now. In future we have a sessions related to the SQL also, that is a 5 days continuous workshop is there. Okay, so share that information, share that link with your friends, family, everyone, because that will be a magic, that will be a kind of disaster which Learnomate is coming. So I need thousands of people to join. So let's see how we can manage here, but please do that. Okay, please do that. That's very very important, guys. And coming to the review part, I can see that you people have given very nice feedback to us. So there is a feedback coming from Sureka, then Judy, Ganesh, Shobharani. Thank you so much. Can you please review? Please share your review, guys. This is very very important for us. This is the only one expectation from everyone. Okay, please do that. So we are going to, as I said, we are going to conduct a lot of lectures in future also. Two lectures which I can tell you in the row as of now. One is Linux, which we already started, and another will be your uh, this SQL we are starting. Then we have data analyst related lectures are there in next week only. Okay, so if you want to know about the timings, if you want to know about the meeting links and everything, please reach out to the Learnomate. Okay? We will do that. There's a question like, what about the Oracle Enterprise Manager? Oracle Enterprise Manager, which is OEM, we have already discussed in the last week only. We already conducted that in the last week. I hope, I think you have missed that. So it's already done, but we'll try to arrange again in few weeks. Okay, we'll try to do that. So in the OEM also many people were joined. So that was also very nice sessions. Azure, right now there is no plan. So let's see. DBA free class. See, the only one thing which we are taking with the paid class, that is a DBA class only. Okay? So DBA will be free of cost. It will be quite difficult, but yes, what we are trying, at least few lectures we can take it as a webinar free of cost. So just be with Learnomate. Whenever we are planning for any webinar related to the Oracle DBA, like last time we have taken some webinar that was free. I think we are planning for backup and recovery in future. Okay, that will be. I'm not sure whether it will be free or how is that, but you will get email from us, okay, regarding that. So be with Learnomate. Meanwhile, I'll just read some of the reviews which are coming. Okay, nice. So many reviews are coming. You, this is typing. Nice. So please fill up the Google reviews and make sure that you people are joining this. So what is the difference between the rack and cluster? See, rack is a cluster only. Okay. Uh, when you are starting a new batch of Oracle DB19, in Jan start we are starting Jan this, I think 10th of Jan we are starting. I don't know the exact date. You can reach out to the Learnomate team, sales team. They will tell you the exact date. But I think 10th of Jan we are starting this new batch. The 10th of Jan. The timing will be morning 9 o'clock, and we have evening time also available. So you can join whatever you wish, any batch. But please share the information. Yes, the batch is available online also, offline also. Both batches are available. Offline are available in Pune location. Online you can join from any location. We have a batches available in Hindi also, English also. Both batches are available. Hyderabad branch we are starting from, I think in 2 weeks it will be ready. It will be in Amirpet. There is a location, not Amirpet, sorry. What? Himayat Nagar. There is a location called Himayat Nagar. Himayat Nagar is starting. So there we are starting. All right. So how was the session? Good. Whether it is good, bad, best. Okay, okay. Today's session. I know that there are few things which I am not able to cover because again, like it's a uh, time. So I thought we'll cover a few. So Suraj is saying good. Renuka is saying very good. Thank you. Sabda is saying yes, very good. Suraj is saying good. Deva is saying very informative. Mahesh is saying please share it in next command. We'll do that. Okay, we'll share in the group. You guys can join the group and there we'll share all this Linux command sheet. So thank you so much for giving your valuable time with us, and I hope you people will give us the best feedback on our Google because that is the very much important thing for us. Please share your honest feedback on the Google, and please help Learnomate to go up all these things. Okay, and if you want to learn any technology specific to Oracle DBA or AddDBA or Golden Gate or maybe SQL, Linux, anything, then we have data science, data engineering. Many technologies are available in this Learnomate. So let us know. We have paid classes are also available. So we'll do that. Okay. So please reach out to Learnomate team if you want to know any details about any courses. Okay. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time and happy weekend, beautiful. I also enjoy uh, my valuable time. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Thank you. आपली घरची
अंकुश लाइट बंद करो जाना आटा डालेंगे